This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the Heart Gumball Shaker card. So I have bought these shaker pieces off of Amazon. I'll link the ones that I used in the product description. And these are nice because they already have a line of tape, so you don't have to glue that down. Now these are meant to be shakers. These are not the dome candy cards. The dome is not deep enough for candy. Even if you had like M&Ms, I think it would only fit 5 or 6 because it'd have to be level in order for this to tape down. Okay, so this is not intended to be for what did I say? The dome candy card. Okay. Now we've got several pieces. I did already glue the back on, and this pink piece is doubled because this is the card. You just write on the back. If you do have any sentiments you want to write, you may want to write it before you glue your dome on so that your card is flat, and then glue your dome on the card. Okay, but I wanted this to dry under my mat so that it stayed flat. So that's why that is the way it is. Okay, so it's just, I do have this piece so that under your dome, this is so that you can see what pieces you've put in there. You can make this any color you want or just eliminate it if you want the background to be the pink. But I want the background to be white so you can maybe, let me see, I have a few different things I'm gonna add. I have, yeah, those show up on there. I have some bubbles. I have some sprinkles from This Calls for Confetti. That's a friend of mine's shop that I'm gonna add in. And then there are 3 confetti hearts that you cut out in the file that go inside. Make sure this isn't clogging. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use inside my shaker. For the dispenser part of the machine, you just want to add your heart right on to the turn. It's not a turnstile, but it's, what you turn to get your candy out. So we're just going to put that right on there like that. I think I'm going to pop this with a little bit of foam tape. I have a small piece left over. And then we're just going to put this right here. Okay. And if you wanted to, when you put this on, you could glue, like something has come out of the machine there, if you wanted. It does have an accent piece. I have already inked the edges of this here for the bottom. And this just goes flat right here across the bottom. Okay. And then that's how you know where this goes. I am going to leave my flap loose. I don't know if I'm going to stamp something behind that little door or put one of my shaker pieces. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to put there. And maybe I have a little tiny stamp that has a I heart you that I might put right there. So I think that would be cute. Okay, and then So these two we're going to glue together like this. But before that glues together, okay. So you can put this either underneath, but I think for me, for keeping it flat, I'm just going to put this right on top because I think that's going to look okay, even with the edge showing. Let me see. Yeah, the tape is clear. I don't know. Because I think it will be easier for me to fill it if I wait, if I put it on top. Because then I'll be able to see my circle where I need to put my sprinkles, my confetti. So that's what I'm going to do. If you want, again, if you want to glue this piece to hide that edge, the hole is cut to fit right around the rounded part. So, but I'm just going to do mine this way. I have a bad glue bottle today. I don't know why it's drying and clogging on me so bad today. Could be the weather. So then we're just going to line this up here. And then so that the top piece is metal, I cut an accent piece for the very top of the machine. Okay, just like that. And now I'm just gonna place my little accents. I want a couple of different sizes of my little water dots here. And then I'm just going to pour these in the lid of this to see which ones I want to use. I know I want some of the pink. I don't think I like this darker. If those get turned around. And I do have some other ones here. I got these at Dollar Tree some time ago. I'll just put a little bit of this in there. Those are nice. It's sticking to my finger, it won't go off. It's got static. Okay. Let's get those inside. And then darn it. Okay. Now I've got it going. There. That makes a cute little shaker card. Okay, there it is. That is the Love Gumball shaker card. Thank you for joining me.